You wake up from your dreams completely alone, or so it seems. Your eyes attempt to adjust to the darkness, the shadow hitting the one that is heartless. His cold, fearsome voice sound through the room, 3 little words signaling your doom. "Go to sleep," he says without strives, as he stepped forwards holding a knife. You want to scream, you want to call to your parents who are asleep down the hall. His mouth is cut into a permanent smile, a sight that makes your throat fill with bile. His eyes are unblinking, ringed in black. He looks like he is about to attack. He wears a white hoodie stained with blood. His black pants are covered in mud. Thunder rumbles outside to cover your shut, as he begins to stalk toward you without a doubt that you would be killed that very night, your life taken away by the sun's first light. He leaped onto your bed, knife at your throat. Once more repenting, he 3 words quote. You feel the bite of the knife's blade, and the world before your eyes began to fade. As your life ended, he sat back and met your dying gaze, speaking one more, this chilling phrase. "Go to sleep," he told you before you leaving, to be gone the next morning when your parents would be grieving. So let this be a warning for you to keep. Be cautious and don't go to sleep. Hello guys, I hope you like my creepypasta. I will be pleased if you comment or like this, even if my English is a little bit bad. If you don't want to miss the next episode, subscribe me. See you then, your baby creep.